Hello guys, so today in this tutorial video we will see how to register and login, how to bet, how to recharge, then about task function and task completion and invitation, then about wallet and withdraw, then about bonus. So now let's start. So this is the interface which you will see while registering. First you have to enter your mobile number. Then you have to give a password. Then you should verify the OTP. Then you need a recommendation code to continue. After that, you have to log in to your account. So after logging to your account, you will see an interface like this. So next we have to click on Wingo. This is the interface where we have to choose colors, we have to bet on numbers, colors, etc. Here you can see a countdown which shows 2 minutes 35 seconds. So like our game is for 3 minutes total. You have to see the patterns and you have to choose accordingly. So now I choose green. We have to click on join green. Then we have to choose the amount which we would like to put. So here we can see 10 rupees, 100 rupees, 1000 rupees, 10,000. So if you are playing under 100 rupees, you have to click on 10. Then you have to click accordingly. Like if you have to put bet for 30 rupees, you have to click 3, like that. Now we'll speak about how to recharge. You have seen a recharge option at the top. So just click on recharge. Then you have to enter a basic amount, that is 100 rupees. Then click on recharge. After that, a menu will pop up like this. You have to enter your phone number, your name, your email ID. After that, if you are using your bank card, you have to click bank card, or else you have to click UPI. Like that you have to recharge. So now we will look on my task function. Here you have seen 10 tasks. You can choose according to your convenience. If you are choosing a task, you have to see the time limits. Like there is a duration for each task. For task 1, the duration is for 24 hours, and from task 2 to task 10, the duration is about till 13 June. Likewise, that will be updated. So you have to choose according to your convenience, and you have to check the date. So you have to make it clear that you have to check the date before joining a task. So like this, you have to click on get. So you have to go to my task go. Then you will see like this, and you have to click on go to finish. Then you have to take your link. Then you can paste it in WhatsApp, in your social media links, etc. Now we'll speak on my wallet and adding your bank account. So you can see in my option you have an option called my wallet. If you are clicking on that, you can see your wallet balance. You can do your recharge from there, or you can do withdrawal from using that withdrawal option. So we now click on my option again. Then you can see my bank. In that you have to add your bank account. You have to enter your bank account number, IFSC code, details, etc. Now let's see my promotion. So here click on my option, then my promotion. So you can see your level 1 and level 2 members. By inviting more friends, definitely you will be getting high commission as betting commission of your subordinates. Likewise, you can apply that balance to your wallet balance. You can apply that bonus to your wallet balance. You just have to click on apply to balance, then enter the amount that will be automatically credited to your wallet balance. Now we'll speak about fund management. Fund management is one of the basic and important things that everyone should follow. Like you have seen 2 pictures here. In the first picture, you can see that account fund should be 1080 or 10,800 or 1,08,000. So likewise, it is about 5 betting money. It is about 5 betting fund. So you have to keep that account balance. So you are putting on a color, that is on first phase you bet on 10 rupees, then on 30 rupees, and if that also fail, you will bet on 80 rupees. If that succeeded, you will again start on 10 rupees. Likewise, you can increase your profit and decrease your loss. Likewise, you can choose your account fund according to your decision. So this will be very successful and very helpful to all of you. Now I will talk about red envelopes. Red envelopes are used for sending money from one Bonin account to another. When we open red envelope, we will see three options. If you are sending to one subordinate, you don't need to change that. If you are sending to many subordinates, you have to change to lucky envelope. Then we will see an option called total bonus in red envelope. We have to enter the amount. Then we need to enter the number of red envelope. After entering that, we need to click on OTP. Then an OTP will be sent to your Bonin registered mobile number. After receiving the OTP, we have to copy that. Then we need to paste that OTP in the box given there. Now we need to click on put in. Then we have to enter our payment password. After that, we have to click on confirm. Then a menu will pop up like this. We have to copy that link and send it to your subordinate. To open envelope, we have to click on that link. Then a menu will pop up like this. Then we need to click on open envelope. After that, the money will be automatically credited back to your wallet balance. So now I'll talk about predictions. You'll be having JORSAR predictions at our official Telegram group, that is our Wealth Large group, and you will be having our artificial intelligence, that is bot predictions also. So you can follow or not, it totally depends upon you. If you are following that, you have to keep a 5-time fund management. So likewise, JORSAR says prediction in your group at 12 p.m, then at 3 p.m, then at night 8 p.m. So that if you are following JORSAR, you have to follow fund management. If you are following the fund for 5 times, definitely you will be having high profit and you will not be having any kind of loss. So you have to follow 5-time fund management when following JORSAR. He used to give 3 predictions a day. That is such an awesome kind of, like, we have got a kind of set of awesome predictions. So thanks for watching, guys. Keep supporting us. Soon we will be uploading more tutorial videos and promotional materials. Thank you so much.